Now let's take a look at how each source of trace mineral works in the feed and inside beef and dairy cattle. Inorganic sulfate trace minerals with their weak ionic bonds may begin to separate in the presence of moisture once they enter the feed. Free metal ions like copper and zinc may damage expensive feed ingredients like vitamins, live direct-fed microbials, and enzymes. And when a trace mineral separates from the ligand in the feed,
It may be bound to an antagonist. When feed is exposed to moisture, water-soluble sulfates may leach away. Depending on the source, organic trace minerals may also be water-soluble, leaching away in the presence of moisture.
with their strong bonds and crystalline structure, hydroxy trace minerals resist separating in feed and binding to antagonists.
When exposed to water, hydroxy trace minerals have minimal leaching because they have very low water solubility.
Hydroxy trace minerals also have a uniform particle size for easy mixing.
Here in Florida, we get a lot of rain, particularly in the summer. It'll probably rain almost every day somewhere close on this ranch during those 3 peak summer months. And what we found is that after a strong precipitation event, there was no preferential intake among the calves. They would consume all the supplements at the same rate, no preference. But on dry days, or days after several days of no rain, they would always consume the supplement with the hydroxychloride. And what we learned is that the rainfall was actually rinsing away, leaching away a lot of the metal from the sulfate and organic sources. And so we took that concept into the lab, and I worked with our soil chemist, Dr. Maria Silvera, and she set up a benchtop system to look at leaching of essential metals from these different formulations. And from that, we were able to find that just a rainfall of 2, 4, 6 inches that can easily occur over a 2-3 week period accumulatively has a dramatic impact on the amount of mineral that's lost from these free choice supplements. You can measure losses from all sources, but the amount of loss is much less from the hydroxychloride sources of copper, zinc, and manganese than sulfate and organic.